Guys, for today's video nga pala ay ang gagawin natin ay What's in my bag School Edition.
The armor
So, guys,
is the armor titan is powerful. It's powerful. Powerful. The armor titan is powerful.
ito po yung bag
The
ko.
armor titan is powerful. Even you, Aaron, have
Meron po ako, guys,
even you,
paper,
even you,
1, 4,
in your titan,
and
in your titan,
ito, eraser,
Aaron, you want
and marker,
your the
and
Aaron,
wait a minute. Where's
you're the
my,
attack titan, right? Yeah.
and my pen.
You're the attack titan.
Of course, meron rin ako ditong
Aaron, the Jaeger.
two notebook,
Aaron, the Jaeger.
plus,
Aaron, the Jaeger. Aaron, the Jaeger. What? What?
wait, ito guys yung assignment ko.
The armor titan is coming.
So,
Transform into your
two notebook, so, plus, two notebook, plus, three notebooks, and
Aaron, the Jaeger.
one notebook. So, yung isang notebook ko is nandun sa teacher namin sa Filipino. Hindi niya binabalik. And I have a 1/4. Ito ba itong assignment ko?
Aaron. Aaron.
Ito guys yung mga
Aaron, the
hahanapin.
Jaeger.
At dito naman yung pasok. Kopyahin namin siya lahat.
What? Transform transform in the attack titan. Why?
Sorry guys,
armor
maingay
titan
yung
is
kapatid
coming.
ko. So, yun lang guys. And,
So,
wait, pala may nakalimutan ako.
you're the
Dito pala sa baba.
you're why not on the Kalason titan.
Meron pa akong baon na hindi ko nabubuksan. Yan gusto mo? Siyempre meron tayong panyo.
You are the Kalason titan. On the Kalason titan.
Wait lang, kukunin ko lang yung tumbler.
On the Kalason.
So, ito yung tumbler ko. Itong isa ginagamit ng kapatid ko dahil yung tumbler niya ay nasira. Ito naman yung luma ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko.
The armor titan.
So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. By the way pala guys, mag-comment kayo kung ano bang mga susunod yung video. Bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye!